Hey y'all, I am finishing up a beanie hat and I thought that I would take this chance to show you how to half double crochet decrease. It's also called half double crochet two together. I am using the half double crochet decrease around the top of this beanie that I'm finishing. Now that I'm towards the end of the beanie, I'm needing this last row here to come in. In order to do that, I need to decrease my stitches. So what I'm doing is I'm placing a half double crochet in one stitch, and then I'm making the next two stitches here one stitch. So I yarn over and I go into the first stitch just like a regular half double crochet, and I pull back through. To half double crochet like normal, you just yarn over and pull through those three stitches. But for this step, we're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through all of those loops. And what that did is it took the two stitches from the previous round and made them one stitch. Let me show you that again. We're going to half double crochet in this next stitch. And then we're going to half double crochet decrease in the next two stitches. So yarn over, go in the first stitch, yarn over again and go in the next stitch, now yarn over and pull through all 5 stitches. So let me show you again. We're half double crochet in the next stitch and decrease in the next. Yarn over, go into that stitch, yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through all of those loops. And see how it takes those 2 stitches there? 1, 2, and it made it 1 stitch. And see on my hat how it's curving there? Because we're alternating the half double crochet and then the decrease, sometimes you can get mixed up. So what I'll do for the decrease is I'll kind of say this in my head: half double crochet together, and then I'll just do half double crochet, and then half double crochet together. That just kind of helps me keep it all straight. So I'm going to finish up this round and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. I just finished my decrease round and now you can see how it nicely rounds out the top of that hat. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more information on crocheting, you can go to my website at averylanecreations.com.